Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a cake house. First, let's plan. Think about the design and size of your edible home. Will it be a cozy cottage or a grand mansion? Gather all your ingredients and tools, like a sharp serrated knife and a sturdy cake board, before you begin. A solid foundation is key for a successful cake house, so choose a strong base for stability. Now, let's get baking. You'll need to bake several rectangular or square cakes, perhaps two 9 by 13-inch cakes, to form the walls and roof of your house. Ensure they are fully cooled before you even think about trimming them. A well-cooled cake is much easier to work with. Use a sharp serrated knife to carefully cut and shape your cake pieces for a perfect fit. With your cake pieces ready, it's time for assembly. Royal icing or melted chocolate works wonderfully as an edible adhesive. Begin by constructing the walls, making sure each piece is level and firmly attached. You might need to hold them in place for a minute or two until the icing sets. Once the walls are stable, carefully attach the roof pieces to complete your basic structure. Finally, the most fun part, decorating your edible home. Start by covering the entire cake house with a smooth, even layer of frosting, perhaps a buttercream or ganache. This creates a perfect canvas. Then, let your creativity shine. Add windows, doors, and even a little garden using candies, cookies, and sprinkles. You can use a piping bag for fine details, making your cake house truly unique.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.